Listen, what are we doing today?
Today we have a nice special. Today we have nice special. This is a delicacy in many countries. I'm going to call this pudding in Satan's scrotum. That's what it's called. Okay, so first we start with a delicate bagel base, and we smear the condiment, the pudding, and you got to be very careful with this. It's got to be an even spread. It's got to be an even spread. You could beat the devil out of it. Okay, you gotta beat the devil out of it. Sorry. All right. Yeah. You gotta beat it like you're a Christian dad and your son is gay. Okay, so we go like that. There we go. We add more pudding. You're gonna have to cut some. Okay. And
What's next, Jason?
Then you gotta cut the carrots, okay? Or not. We're just gonna do whole carrots because we're heathens. And you're gonna do that. And then now you gotta put them in their happy little boat. You got a happy little boat. Hey, you're not allowed to leave. My nubile slave boys are leaving. They're supposed to test it for poison. Right, so we add the happy little Sour Patch Kids.
Oh no, you ate one.
And now for the best part. Tasty. Doesn't that just make your mouth water? And now it goes in the microwave for 45 seconds. Cut it. And we gently put it in the oven.
About 7 minutes.
Jesus. We enjoy a nice snack.
I think we should do it longer.
Sure. No, I don't want to break the microwave. There we go. That's tasty. Just like Mama used to make.
Jason, come on.
My mother never loved me. Stop. No, like what's in the shot? Today we are reviewing the Satan and pudding scrotum. It looks delicious, doesn't it? Does it look delicious?
I'm not involved in this. Point that camera away from me, please.
This is. I don't think even a starving Ethiopian would eat this. But you know what? I would.
That's not ball sack taste.
That's good! That's good!
Is it just like Mama used to make?
I'll smell this.
Just like Mama used to make, brother.
Like Mama
Jason,
used to
you
make.
want this?
Are you food reviewing?
I'm trying
Okay.
this. Alright, ready?
Food review.
We're gonna do food reviewing.
Okay. I'll eat these.
It's really bad.
It's a mix of like bread, vegetables, like overly sweetness. Oh, that's grosser than
Wow. It's tasty.
I find no pleasure in this whatsoever.
You guys.
Yo.
Well, it's safe to say that I'm the best chef, okay? See, all of my customers, they really enjoy my food, right? Right?
Yeah.
You enjoy my food?
Yeah,
You enjoy my food, right? Do you enjoy my food?
It's amazing.
Good.
Praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus.
Praise Jesus.
Jesus
and
died on the cross.
Praise the Creekside food chef. Cut there. Your mom gay.